everyone, welcome back. Today we'll see how to grow wheatgrass at home without soil. This is my first attempt at growing wheatgrass and I'm super excited to share my experience with you all. Wheatgrass is packed with many vitamins and other important nutrients. It can boost your mind and your body both if you take 2 spoons of wheatgrass juice every day in breakfast. So let's see how to grow them from seeds, and I'll also show how to take out its juice. Let's get started. So to start with, you need to take whole wheat. You can buy it from any grocery store and soak it in water overnight. And after 10 to 12 hours, remove the excess water in the bowl, whatever you see, and it should look something like this. In fact, you'll be able to see few small sprouts also, something like this. Now I'm taking a big size sieve. You can take any plastic container also, but make sure to make multiple holes for better drainage. Now we'll keep a plate under the sieve and we will spread soaked whole wheat all over the strainer or the sieve. After spreading all the soaked whole wheat on the sieve, cover it with some wet cloth instead of paper towel, because I covered it with paper towel, but later on the next day when I was trying to remove it, it was difficult to remove because it was getting stick to it, it was tearing off. Keep it in a place where it should get bright sunlight. Now on the next day, it should look something like this. And if you covered it with wet cloth, it was easy to remove it, and since I covered it with paper towel, so I had to tear it off. So basically you will see significant growth in roots and its shoots as well. So after 2 days, this will look something like this, and you can easily make out that it is showing sign of good growth. When you see the stem is looking little dried or the seeds are looking dried, you keep on pouring some water because we have a good drainage, so it will go off. It's not going to collect at the bottom or damage your seeds by rotting them. And if there is not enough drainage, the water gets accumulated at the bottom, they will start getting rotting as well as start growing molds, which is very harmful for our health. Friends, if I talk about benefits of wheatgrass, you'll be amazed to hear. It is a rich source of vitamin A, C, E, K, B6, iron, zinc, potassium, copper, manganese, and many more essential nutrients. It's a superfood. In nutshell, we can say it can eliminate toxins from your body and it can help with digestion. It can lower your blood pressure and cholesterol. It helps in preventing and treating diabetes and cancer as well. So I'm sure after watching today's video, you will surely grow your own wheatgrass and you'll surely add this superfood in your breakfast routine. Alright, this is 10th day now and this is perfectly ready to be harvested. You can see how nicely it has developed roots and the leaves have become so big, so lush green, and we will harvest them now. Let's chop off its leaves, and one interesting thing about this wheatgrass leaves is they will regrow again. So basically, once you grow them, you can harvest 3 times. Isn't it interesting? Alright, I have collected the leaves now, and make sure you don't uproot it. Don't remove the complete plant from its roots so that it can regrow and you can collect it again. Alright, let's wash it off thoroughly and I'll show you how to take out its juice. So after washing it thoroughly, I will add it to the mixer jar and add few spoons of water. Then I'll grind it nicely. I'll make a paste out of it. And this is how it should look like after making paste. Now we will sieve it and we will take out its juice. So this is the juice we have collected, and now for serving, add 2 to 3 spoons of juice in a glass and add water. Mix it well and your superfood is ready. So this is the super healthy and very easy to make wheatgrass juice, easy to grow as well, and I hope you will try this recipe. You'll try growing wheatgrass at home this way. Do let me know if you like this video. See you.